Kaz with Kaz Stays here. Hope you're doing great. We are in Calgary, almost downtown. To be exact, it's at the Stampede exhibition grounds. And it's where we have all the major exhibitions. Like today, we're going to visit the motorbike show. We also have other ones like the Stampede or Comic-Con, Calgary Expo, whatever they all are. But it's early February, absolutely beautiful weather. I'm not quite in a t-shirt, but just in a thin shirt here. For us, this is just marvelous. Let me just check the road here so I don't get run over. Yep, we're all good. Anyways, we are here to attend the motorbike show today. It hasn't taken place, I think, since 2019 or 2020. I can't quite remember. And then last year it was cancelled as well because of supply issues. So I think the dealers decided there's no point having a show. We may sell bikes, but then we can't deliver them anyways. But finally, 2024, and the show is back on again. Now, real quick in the background to my left, you kind of see the Saddle Dome there. That's the home of the Calgary Flames, NHL hockey franchise, if you're a hockey fan, and also the place of the 1988 Olympics. I think that's what it was built for. And then over my other shoulder, it's a bit hard to see. It's the BMO Center that just recently, let me try this again if I can pronounce this word properly. If this was recently rebuilt, and I think it's finally open again. And that would be the first time we are in the new center. I think it was under construction for quite a few years. But anyhow, with all of this being said, let me make my way in. I think the new entrance is straight ahead here. We'll check ourselves in, and I'll catch up with you once we hit the show floor. Harley Davidson, what do you think of them? I never had one myself, but I know people that just love them.
Guys, happy Friday.
It's another Harley Davidson as well. Just giving you a little bit of a roundabout view. Got an older Honda. Here we have a Kawasaki Vulcan.
You didn't do the maintenance on it?
Here we have an old BMW GS. Not sure if it's 1150 or maybe 1000 maybe. So it's down here. Hands down, I'm the cutest. 1972. What do you think? It is pretty darn cute. Bikes from the past here. It's all the old stuff. Kawasaki, Yamaha, Suzuki. They sure changed. Now here we have a Triumph.
Oh yeah.
It's green. I think it was just blue a second ago. Now that's an oldie. Check out the seat. Have a look at a couple Euro bikes, sidecars. Do you ever have a sidecar? I've never driven a bike with a sidecar on myself. I'm sure it's quite different. Color sure makes a difference. More or less a little bit all the same brand anyways, but the color scheme is different. But anyways, as I was saying, have you ever driven a bike with a sidecar? If so, let me know what your experience are with it.
Are you still back? Forcing that.
An old Ducati 750 over here, all in black. Oh, they are different. Oh, it's a 1963 BMW. Wow. And this one I'm not sure what I'm looking at. Have you ever driven an electric bike? I don't know, here is one. Not sure what to think about them. Trike. You ever ridden a trike? Half Yamaha bikes. I personally always like the, not that much the street bikes, I mean I don't mind them, but I always like the style of the dual purpose kind of off-road ones, like similar to this one here, which is a 700 Tenere. A Yamaha 250. The bike I had to learn and actually needed to drive for 2 years was a what was it now? A Suzuki, I think, yeah, but it was only a 125, and I had to drive it for 2 years till I could graduate to another license and a bigger bike then. A few quads here, something for junior. Got these little cuties here. Maintenance by the looks of it.
Big sale. What are you guys doing today? I can see you out.